In the last class, what we are discussing about the how to use the static files. Okay, we have learned how to display the static images and how we can display the static CSS file, nothing but the external CSS files, and how to apply the bootstrap. So these things we have learned in the last classes. Let's go with the one more particular concept that is called extending the pages and including the pages. So what is the difference and when I can go with the extend page and when I can go with the include page in my particular Django project. First, let's understand the scenario here. Let me open the thing first. Just assume there are number of pages are there. Okay, so just assume this is your page number one. Okay, and in this particular page, there are some particular content is there. Okay, means just assume this is your particular some logo is there. Okay, and in that same thing you will be having some other hyperlinks are there. Okay, just as in there are some particular menus there. Okay, and similarly just assume there are some particular again some footer area is there. Okay, so there here also there is some particular footer area is there. Okay, so this is your different area. Okay, this is the different area. Now there is a possibility like when you develop any particular pages, just assume this is your particular application second page. Similarly, just assume this is your application third page. Like this, in your particular application, there are n number of pages for you, right? Now, whenever you wanted to display any particular common pages, let's just assume this is your water, this is the header area. Okay, this is which area? This is your header area. Okay, and similarly, this is your footer area, header area and footer area. So now, in all the pages, header and footer remain same. If I open any particular website, for example, if I'm opening, uh, let's assume Django documentation, or else let me open any Bootstrap framework website. Okay, so now you can see this is the official website of Django. Now, if I go to the overview page, or else if I go to any other pages like uh, table of content page, okay, I can say this is my menu, and if I scroll down, this is my footer. Now you can see second page also, this is my menu and this is my footer, right? And if I go to some other pages of Bootstrap also, if I click on theme, if I click on examples, okay, and now you can see if I scroll down, this is my footer, same thing, this is a different page. Okay, examples, now you can see this is my footer, right? You can see footer and menu area, both are the same are, right? You can see here also it is same, 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 right? Even in the menu area also. So this is your menu area, right? Similarly, if I scroll up, this is your menu area. So menu area is also same, footer area also same here. So whenever I'm developing any particular application or website, okay, there are chances are like when we create menus, okay, our particular logo area, nothing but the header area as well as the footer area. So these areas will be common, right? And if these areas are common, do I need to write the same code in all the pages? Just assume there are some 100 pages are there, 2000 pages are there. So do I need to write the same thing again and again, again and again? No, it is not required, right? Okay, so what we can do here, how we can solve this particular issue for this particular page? Okay, whatever the page is coming, this particular page we can create a common page. So just assume, okay, there is a one more page called Okay, just assume this is one main.html. Just assuming this is our main.html. And in the main.html, what we have done, you have created this particular header area, you have created this particular footer area, all these things you have created. And what you are doing, you are sending this particular page. Okay, so just assume this is my page1.html. Okay, and just assume this is my page2.html, and this is my page3.html. Now here what I want here, I wanted to display this particular content. Okay, I wanted to connect this particular page with this page also. I'm connecting this particular page with the this particular page also, and here also I'm connecting with this page also with this. So it means if I just connect this particular page with multiple pages, yes, it is possible in the Django. So this concept is called extending the pages. What we call extends the page. Means what you are doing here, you are displaying one page information to the another page. Okay, and here you have to note, you can extend only one page at a time. Just assume there are one more page is there. That page again you cannot able to extend. And one more thing, when you're using the extend particular command, here the header and footer area you can pass, and middle content you can change according to your requirement. Most example, just assume, okay, this particular header and this particular footer is coming from the extend page. But here you can see whatever the content you are adding, this particular content, this content is going to be changed for the second page. You can see here content is different. In the middle content is changed. So here this particular content, header and footer remain same, only middle content is changing. So same thing, okay. In when you're creating this particular extend page, only we are going to add the header area and footer area, and bottom area, sorry, in the middle area is going to change according to the requirement. Is it clear? The concept is clear? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now coming to the include page. What is the include now? Include is the part of your particular content. For example, just assume whenever creating the extend page, and here when I'm creating this menu area and footer area, what I wanted to do, I don't wanted to again create, I wanted to create a separate particular page and this content. Okay, so here I have created the, just assume there are two pages I have created. Just assume this is one particular page. Again there is a one more particular page. Okay, and here I have created again two particular names here. Let me give this particular names here, something menu.html. Okay, and here I have created something footer.html. Now what I wanted to do here, whatever the information are I'm going to display here, this information is going to be displayed from this particular site, from this particular page. Okay, directly in the main.html I'm not passing the data. This data again displaying from the some other particular page. And footer also directly I'm not writing in the main.html. Again this particular data is coming from the some other particular html page. Is it clear? So whenever I wanted to make any changes, there will be a lengthy, if just assume I don't wanted to create a lengthy code in one particular page, I just wanted to divide these particular components. So we call components. So here, this area will become one component. This area will become one particular component. So now you can see here, these are the components are there. This area will be component. This area is a one component. This area is a one component. So your page is divided into n number of components. Sometimes your row become one component, sometimes your column become also component, and sometimes one particular element become also one component. Is it clear? Yes, no? Structure is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this particular concept, so these two are nothing but the include. Okay, include the. So this concept is called including the pages. Where is the heading? Okay, so this is called include concept, and this is called extend concept. So in a page, you can include a number of pages, but if a page as an extend, you cannot use the extend pages to the n number of pages. That is the difference will be there. Okay, and let me store this particular structure. Where is our 7 a.m. Okay, static versus sorry, extend versus include. Okay, so first of all, what I wanted to do, I wanted to create two particular pages, and here just assume I'm going to create one header.html page, and I wanted to create one more page with the name of footer.html. Okay, and I wanted to create one more particular page, and just assume I wanted to give this name as a main.html. Okay, and now let's create one basic structure to this html main.html page. And what I will do, and in the last class we have copied the bootstrap files, right? So let me copy paste these files into the main file. So here what will happen, I don't need to create the bootstrap in all the files. So this uh, bootstrap files is going to be called from the only one particular main file. So I'm going to attach main file with the all the files. So no need to create the bootstrap files in the all the pages. Okay. And here, so this will be my, here I'm going to create one particular division. So division container class and containers. Okay. And inside of this particular content, okay, here there will be heading area. So here I'm going to create my header area. Okay. And here middle content area, middle content. Okay. Or else you can add the body content. And next I wanted to add the footer area. So here I'm going to create one division. In this I'm going to call class equals to row, and inside of this I wanted to add one column, or else we can call entire these things from this particular header.html also. Okay, so footer also I'm going to call from that area only. As of now, just understanding purpose, let me just add one uh, heading as a header area. Okay, and here also I wanted to add one heading as a footer area. Okay, just for understanding purpose. And here this is my other particular pages content. So here what I need to do, I need to add block open, and then I need to close one more command, that is end block, end block. And here what I need to do, I need to give some particular name. So you can give any name. Let's give this name as a main, and here I'm giving this name as a main. Now I wanted to connect this particular page with the other pages also. So let's go to the index.html, wherever my page is going to be start. So where the page is starting, here from the body section. So here I just need to open the block main, means from above whatever the content I have added in the main, this is going to be displayed in here from the line number 20. And where I am ending this particular content, so all the content is going to be in the 53. So here I'm going to write the end block here. Means after the 54, means from 55, here automatically footer content is going to be displayed. Now, if I wanted to connect this main.html with this index.html, what I need to do, I need to connect one more particular command, that is the extend command. So here I need to mention extends, and which file I wanted to connect, that is the main.html. And once I save this, and if I go back to the output, where is the output? This is our output, right? So let me just copy and open the new tab and paste it here. Now you can see previous it is saying like welcome to text solution. Now you can see header area is coming. You can see in the bottom footer area is coming. Is it clear? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Similarly, what I wanted to now, this header area, okay, what I wanted to do, I wanted to change this heading and I wanted to display this heading area as a menu area. I wanted to create one particular menu. So let's go back to our file. In this, we have created bootstrap files, right? So let's copy one menu. Let's copy this particular menu. So here I'm going to copy this. So wherever row start, here row start and row end from line number 56. Okay. So here I'm going to copy the entire particular row, this here. Okay. So let me copy this, and here we need to paste this entire file. So where is the file? Uh, header.html, right? I wanted to paste here. Okay. Once I save this, now what I wanted to do here, I wanted to connect this particular header.file with the main.html. So file is saved, right? And just go to the main dot, and where I wanted to display, instead of this heading, what I wanted to display, I wanted to display the header.html file. So here I just need to mention include. Which file you wanted to include? You wanted to include the header.html file. Now save this, and now you can see if I run this particular file, okay, let's copy this, and now if I run this, so now you can see what it is displaying. It is displaying, why logo is not coming? Because we have not stored the logo file. So let me just copy this, and we need to paste it here, the static in the images. Need to copy paste the, okay, logo.jpg. Okay, and I just need to add here, where is the logo? Logo is saved in the images slash logo, and here I need to mention curly braces, percentage static command, and this particular logo path should be added in the single quotes. Okay, and just we need to load the static files in the top of the page. That's it. Load static, and now you can see here, if I refresh this, now you can see, you can able to see the logo. So this is the way, like how you're going to display the your particular static file, okay, inside of any particular uh, any other particular .html file. And what we are doing, we are displaying those particular .html file with the other particular page, and that page is extending to the some other particular pages. So what we have done, we have created one menu.html. This is sending to one particular main.html, and this main.html is extended with the other pages. Now just assume I wanted to extend with the one more page. For example, now you can see here, if I do any calculation here, okay, if I write something, enter number one, enter number two, click on the add. Now here we don't have the header and footer. Again, in this particular page also, I wanted to attach that particular header and footer. So what I need to do, same thing. You just need to write here extends which page you wanted to extend. You wanted to extend the main.html. And next, what you wanted to do, from where the block start, here the block is going to start. So here you have tried block, and name you have given as a main, and where it is ending, it is ending here, end of block. That's it. Now save this and refresh. Now you can see here also your same particular area is displayed, and now you can see this is the footer area, and this is the your particular header area. And if I do any particular changes, for example, let me apply some particular background color. Okay, so let's take some light color. Okay, and I wanted to apply some background color here. So let's go to the main.html, and in this, let's apply style equals to background color, and let's give this background color. Now you can see here, if I just refresh here, you can see same applicable here. If I refresh, same particular background color is applicable. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So like this, what you can do, you can create a common page, and this page, in this page information, you're going to display the into the all the pages where common content is there. Okay, so this particular concept only used for the common content, where we are displaying the all the common content to the entire application. So whenever you're doing any particular changes, automatically it is going to be reflected. Got it? Or else if any some particular components are there that is repeating in some pages, it is said for those particular purposes, what you can do, you can go with the include concept. Means this is one particular information which is not displaying in the all the pages. In some pages we require, some pages is not required. For that purpose we can go with the include. Okay, so that's it for today. In the next class, we are going to understand how we can create the classes, how we can create the objects, and how we're going to store the static data, and how we can display those particular class and object format data to your particular client side. And then we are going to use conditions and loop also in the upcoming classes. And after that, from the day after tomorrow, we are going to the dynamic data. So from till like tomorrow's class will be the all the particular static related data we are going to complete, and from the day after tomorrow we are going to start the dynamic related data. Okay,